Hi friends, happy Monday. I'm gonna try to vlog this week. I have psychology, chemistry, and genetics today. I am running like 20 minutes late. I'm probably not gonna make it to psychology if I'm being honest, which is fine. We're kind of like getting to the point where it's more exam review rather than like actual content. So I'm not like super worried about it, but that just means I have to make it to class the rest of this week to make up for today. Anyway, I'm heading to campus now. I'm probably gonna make a stop at Sheetz and get my usual Red Bull. Red Bull acquired. I made it to campus. I'm gonna go straight to the library and start working on a paper that I have due today. I'm done with school today. I ended up skipping my chemistry class as well, which maybe was not the best call, but I was really worried about not finishing my paper on time, so I took that extra time to really fine-tune my paper. I did go to my genetics class, as you guys saw. This is really gonna be like the last day of like lecture in that class, which is cool. We're doing presentations for the rest of the time. But I did finish my paper. Now I have to go pick up some groceries and then I'm gonna go home and do some more homework. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to do groceries and then I'm probably gonna end today's part of the vlog. It's starting to rain. That's so fun. Finished getting my groceries. I got some sushi as like a little snack to tide me over because I'm hungry and my blood sugar's a little low, so hopefully this helps. It's the Blue Ridge roll. It's spicy tuna, spicy mayo, wasabi sauce, and fried onions. So I don't think I've ever had this before, so we'll see if it's good. That's actually insane. Like all the sauces like mixed together are just impeccable. I love it. This is gonna be the end of the Monday vlog, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi friends, happy Tuesday. I just have one class today. I'm presenting my research, so that should be fun. And then I have a meeting later, so I'm gonna just kind of be hanging out on campus all day until meeting time. So that's fun. We'll see what we get into today. I'm running a tiny bit late, so let's get going. We made it to campus, let's get inside. I just got done in my class. All I had to do was present my research poster, so that went by relatively quickly. I did not get to drink too much of my coffee this morning, so I kind of want another coffee or like an energy drink or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm probably just gonna go to Sheetz because I also want a snack. I did just eat my lunch, but I feel like I'm gonna want a snack later because I'm gonna be here all day. So yeah, we're probably just gonna go to Sheetz because I didn't get to go on my usual run this morning before class. So let's go. I just got done in Sheetz. I didn't know that they had like different flavored Red Bulls. So this is original Red Bull, but they add peach and vanilla syrup. So that's pretty exciting. It's very yummy. I've already tasted it. And then I also got my usual Smart Food popcorn, white cheddar, because I'm like on a kick with that right now. But I also got a Red Bull for tomorrow because I know I'm gonna want one in the morning. But I found this, it's like dried fruit. I've never seen them carry this before and I was intrigued. I really like dried fruit, freeze-dried fruit, stuff like that. So I'm excited to see if this is any good. But yeah, just some snackies to get me through the day and then I'll get dinner later. But yeah, let's go back to campus and do some homework. I stayed in the library for a little bit, did some homework. I got to a point where I was just kind of like sitting there on my phone. I left, I'm sitting in my car now. I'm waiting for my meeting at 4:30, but I'm kind of just chilling for now. Friends, happy Wednesday. I just made it to campus. I'm late. Let's get inside. I just done out of my psychology class. I didn't film in there because I was very late and I felt awkward, but I'm gonna make a run to Sheets really quick and then I'm gonna come back to the library and do some homework. I'm done in Sheets. I ended up getting a frosted peach lemonade today, so let's see if it's any good. These are new on the menu, so that's pretty fire. Hi friends! Obviously I did not vlog yesterday and I also forgot to end the vlog on Wednesday. So Wednesday was kind of a busy day. I didn't film in my lab at the end of the day. I stopped it at my last actual structured class of the day because I had my final presentation for my OChem class and that was very stressful. So I just didn't even want to put the pressure on myself to vlog. So I just kind of left that alone and didn't end Wednesday's vlog. And then yesterday I had a personal appointment that I had to go to. On the way trying to get to that appointment, my boyfriend's car died. He had to get somebody to jump him, but that didn't happen in enough time to get me to my appointment, so he had to call me an Uber, and it was just a whole thing on Thursday. So I didn't vlog, but we're back today. My first class got canceled, so no psychology today. I just have OChem and genetics. I'm giving a presentation in genetics today, so that's fun. But yeah, it's mainly just gonna be homework. And then I do have a seminar to go to tonight, but yeah, that's about it. So let's head to campus. I just left Starbucks. I'm waiting for my seminar to start. I didn't record anything between my chemistry class and going to Starbucks. I had my genetics class in that gap that I was presenting and I was anxious, so I just kind of forgot to record. But anyway, the presentation went okay. I feel like it was fine. Nobody really asked any questions after, which is fine. I was okay with that. But yeah, it was just fine. Yeah, I got my seminar and then I'm going to my boyfriend's house and that'll be kind of the end of the weekly vlog.